Following Gateway Church pastor Robert Morris's resignation after sexual abuse allegations, questions have surfaced about why there is no chance of civil liability. It's something that has one local victims' rights attorney taking action. As our Aaron Jones tells us, she won't stop until there's reform.
It took Cindy Clemenshire more than 40 years to publicly report Robert Morris, the founder and senior pastor of Gateway Church, sexually assaulted her, starting when she was just 12 years old.
There are so many reasons why victims of trauma take a long time.
New Friends New Life CEO Bianca Davis serves women and girls who've been trafficked and exploited. She says in this case in particular,
And so I think it's important to note the impact of spiritual abuse. So you have someone who is in a position of religious authority. They are revered by their congregations. They seem to have all the answers. It really toys with that person's sense of faith.
Michelle Simpson-Teagle, an attorney that specializes in victims' rights, says Clemenshire will not be able to pursue civil claims against the church or her alleged abuser because it's too late under the statute of limitations in Texas or Oklahoma, where the victim says some of the abuse took place.
So in Texas, the statute of limitations now, as it stands in 2024, is that you have 30 years to file a civil sexual abuse claim if it happened when you were under the age of 18. But that law only went into effect in 2019.
She says Texas and Oklahoma have not passed what's called a revival window or retroactive statute of limitations, meaning Clemenshire's window would be much smaller.
That it depends on what their date of birth is and when their abuse happened. This was in the 1980s. So back then, a 2-year statute of limitations would arguably have applied.
She's been working to change that and says several other states already have.
We were at the legislature last legislative session with a group of survivors trying to even get a hearing on it, and we could not even get a hearing on the issue.
So for now, the work continues. She says just this week she heard about local legislators talking about how the Gateway case is an example of why the law needs to change. It's bringing new hope. In Dallas, Aaron Jones, CBS News, Texas.